According to Zen-shin, a unique practice of Buddhist meditation, a flower does not think of competing with the flower next to it. It just blooms. There is also a saying that the only person you should try to be better than is who you were yesterday. Are you comparing yourself to others? Hi everyone, I am Sandeep Sharma, a corporate trainer and a life coach. In a competitive world where social media is a popular platform for news and views, we are tempted to constantly compare ourselves to others. We get bothered by what others think of us, and when we see their achievements, we feel inadequate. This is because we are not sufficiently aware of our own self-worth. What a pity. The trouble with being preoccupied with the achievements of others is that we tend to ignore our own accomplishments. Friends, when we focus on other people, we lose time we could otherwise invest in ourselves. Here I'll like to mention a very small example, but a very beautiful one, which says that we don't grow grass by focusing on our neighbor's garden. We do it by nurturing our own. That is why we should advocate self-acceptance in which we love our past, because it has made us, with all the mistakes we have made, into a better, wiser and more courageous version of ourselves. By embracing our own story and the way we have grown from it, we change our mindsets, attitudes, and the direction we take in life. The measure the world uses today to gauge our success is based on material achievements and peak performances, and not on what we have overcome. People are endowed with many gifts. While one person may be a good writer, another may be a good cook, or an orator, mason, or a carpenter. The secret is to develop the talents we have and to put them to good use. If we are content with who we are, that is the best antidote to making comparisons. Friends, each one and everyone is unique with own capabilities and capacities. Kabir Das says, "Jahan kaam aaye sui, kya kare talwar," which means that every unique skill is important and non-comparable. Whether that unique skill is in yourself or others, it definitely needs a proper respect. We all get easily attracted and allured to the world around us. Each one is busy marketing himself. But among these loud noises, do not forget one and the only one genius person, and that is, yes friends, you. So talk to yourself. Do not underestimate the smallest talent of yourself, even if you feel it is very small, and no one would care about that. Just critically find yourself, and that one uniqueness, one USP in yourself is something which can take you to places, take you to the top of success. Another way to stop comparing yourself to others is to serve others. Yes, guy. Serving others is yet another way of overcoming the tendency to make comparisons. When we serve others, we focus on our strengths and what we have to offer to the other. Service increases our value both in our own eyes and in the eyes of others. When we serve, we do not focus on the accomplishments of others, but on our own talents and ability to reach out to them. So, the business world thrives on competition. It makes them manufacturing better products at lower cost. Sportspersons compete for titles and organizations compete to render better service. In the process, people do make comparisons. So if we use the high standards set by others as a benchmark to improve our own act, there is no harm in making comparisons. But if we use comparisons to switch lanes and to take on ourselves what we are not comfortable with, we may make a serious mistake. So this critical thinking of yourself will remain someone who can act like a mirror to you. Just tell you about yourself and not others. So guys, if you think you need that mirror, that one person who can critically advise you, critically help you, identify you, your own talent, do contact me back on my Facebook page. Thank you so much.